is lecture 23, and in this lecture we are going to learn a very useful Excel formula called COUNTIF. COUNTIF is used when we want to count how many times a specific value appears in a given range in real office work. This formula is very helpful when we want to count how many orders are completed, how many times a product is sold, how many time entries are made for one customers, or how many records belongs to one category. Instead of counting manually again and again, COUNTIF gives the answer instantly and make our Excel work faster, clean and professional. Now look at the Excel sheets on your screen. On the left side, we have a dataset with three columns: product name, region and amount. This table start from the row 18 and goes till row 27, and you can clearly see that the some product name are repeated multiple times, like keyboard, monitor and mouse. On the right side we have a small results table where we want to calculate the total number of records for a selected product. Here the heading product name is in cell G17, and the just below it cell in G18 the product name mouse is already written. Next to it the heading total record is written in cell H17, and the blank cell H18 is where we want Excel to show the final count. Now let's apply the count if step by step according to the sheets. First we click on the result cell H18 because this is the cell where we want the answer. Now in H18 we type the formula is equal to count if bracket open. Excel now asks for the range, which means the column where we want to check and count the product name. Since we want to count how many times mouse appears in the product name list, we select the product name range from the left side table, which is B18 to B27. After selecting this range, we type a comma, and now Excel asks for the criteria, which means what we want to count. In our sheets, mouse is already typed in cell G18, so we simply select the G18 as the criteria. Now we want close the bracket and press enter, and the final formula becomes is equal to count if bracket open B18 colon B27 comma G18 bracket close. As soon as we press enter, Excel count how many times mouse appears in the range B18 to B27 and display the total number of records in cell H18. Now we can also test the formula like a professional. If we change the product name in cell G18 from mouse to keyboard or monitor, Excel will automatically update the result in cell H18 and show the new count instantly. This proves that COUNTIF is not only fast but also dynamic and perfect for real reports. So in this lecture we learned how to use COUNTIF to count the total record based on a conditions, and we successfully calculate the total number of mouse entries using cell H18 as the output. This is one of the most important formula for office reporting, data checking and building dashboard.